How many people can say they love their job? Every morning I get to wake up and go to work doing something I love. Working outside, fixing things, and being a vital part of the outdoor recreation industry. When I was a kid, this is the kind of thing I dreamed of doing. Working with heavy machinery, power tools, with a team on large-scale projects, and even simply performing standard repairs around the shop. Every day at work brings a new opportunity to solve problems and make a difference for our parks and for those who visit them. As a maintenance employee for the Division of Utah State Parks and Recreation, I'm doing something that makes an impact while learning new things on a daily basis. My name is Rick, and I'm a Utah State Parks maintenance employee, and I love my job.